Okay, so today we've got a coolant level fault on a Range Rover. This is a common fault, so we're going to look into this and show you how to fix it. So we're going to be changing the actual the coolant reservoir, because in the bottom of it you've got the sensor, and you see this little white thing in here that actually moves up and down with the level. And what happens is these sort of perish, water gets into them, and then it stops them floating, so it actually sinks, which then indicates that the coolant level is actually low, when in fact it's not. So I'll just show you how to quickly change this, and we'll see if it works. So here it is on the vehicle, they're relatively straightforward to change. You've got a pipe on the top. This reservoir, the power steering reservoir, just clips on here. There are two bolts, I don't know if you can see them, down in there that hold the actual thing into place. And there's another pipe, which is going to be a bit of a nightmare to take off by the looks of it, which is sat down in the bottom of the reservoir. So let's get cracking and change it over. So that is it out. It's pretty straightforward. All you need is 8mm socket with a long extension bar, a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. That's literally all the tools that you need. So now I've got that off. You can't really see it, but it's stuck to the bottom, the float. So we'll change it over now, put the new one in and see if that does the trick. Excuse the ice cream van that's just turned up. But let's see if the fault is cleared. Hey, and it's gone. Service required though. So that's the next job.